Right, good morning everyone. It is Tuesday the 7th?
Yes.
It's Tuesday the 7th of January 2020 and we are on our way to the other side, to the other side of
Massif.
So back there is Flaine. So we're going to Carroz today, aren't we?
Yeah, I think so.
That's where we're going. But I'm very conscious after pretty much filming every single metre of this resort that I need to film somewhere where I haven't filmed before. Is that a good idea?
Yeah, otherwise it's a bit repetitive.
That's what YouTubers do though, isn't it? They're very repetitive.
There's some new bits. There's a border cross off the side of the tourmaline. There's snow blowers on the tourmaline. There's a little like skate park bit down the side of the green at Foray. So there's loads of like new little pieces this year.
Yes, lots of new pieces.
Which is cool.
Yeah, and it does look a bit more simplified actually in terms of the routes. Anyway, I'm filming in the shade, which is my big no-no, and my fingers are getting cold, so I'm going to put this away. Right, you ready, love?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do this.
Not a tinkle, because a tinkle's a wee-wee. So it wasn't a tinkle next to the tree.
Right, here we are. We're with Olivia because she's going to teach us how to ski, aren't you?
And we're going where I went this morning because I need to practice it.
And we need to practice it, don't we, Mummy?
Yep, especially me.
We're back on the Garrat, which is our probably most used lift of the entire trip because it's part of the ski and ski out bit. Look at this. Another day of sunshine. You happy, Mummy?
Yeah, I could do with a bit of snow though as well, but this is perfect skiing weather. I'm really having a good time.
We don't have much snow in terms of powder stuff, but we do have enough to have ski and ski out, which is a huge plus.
Massive.
Because if you stay at Deos or Helios and you don't have ski and ski out, oh my goodness, that is such a pain having to get on a bus. Right, should we go then, Liv?
Yeah.
Famous words, Liv, go on.
Yeah!
Well, it was let's do this. Do you want to try that again?
Let's do this!
Good job, Liv.